How you doing today? I'm Don. What's going on with it today?
Well, I think I've got a parasitic draw that keeps
draining the
my
battery
down. And then about a week ago, I went down and I couldn't get it started.
Okay.
Put a new battery in it, and it's acting like I thought it might be the security. You know how the security systems won't recognize your key.
Okay.
But I went through all that, and it doesn't seem to make any difference.
Is it clicking or doing anything?
Well, it goes, yep. It's like it shuts down. It's like it. So right at first I thought, well, maybe it's a fuel pump or something, but it doesn't sound like that. It sounds electrical.
Let's go down here and see what's going on.
Sure.
If I can save you $1, I'm here to save you $1.
Well, I appreciate that. I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
Oh, it's all good.
I was actually in Kansas. I'm like, they'll be right there. I'm like, I'm gonna hurry. I'm driving as fast as I can. I got the battery disconnected right now at the moment.
Yeah. I've never seen a vehicle with this
there's a
with this paint job on this thing.
That's a long story. Okay, so I need to hook that back up. But you can sure hear how that. What is this thing?
That part of it?
Yeah. That goes in this first. Let's go on slot. There's a little slot there.
Okay.
There. And there. No, I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
It's all good.
I'm like, where's this fast as somebody right around? I got it.
So, you got the Allen wrench handy?
But yeah, it's just got a slow draw, and usually I get out here and start it, and then when I went down,
It's probably all the lights you got on here is what's doing it.
Well, they don't ever get turned on. I think the radio. I think the CD player
Could be.
Got jammed. They won't open.
Oh.
I think it's content trying to open.
Yep, that could be too.
Yeah.
Don't give it no gas. Turn the key on and turn it off and turn it back on and do that about 10 times. No, don't start it. Just turn the key on. Here, let me have it, bud.
Do it? All right. you got a plan here. Now I know if you don't have the brakes pushed, it's not going to start. You'll need to push the brake if you're going to.
Yeah, I ain't trying to start.
Try to do that? Right.
I ain't trying to start it yet, bud.
Gotcha.
Making the fuel pump work.
Pardon me?
Making the fuel pump work.
Oh.
When cars have been sitting forever and a day, they kind of vapor lock up on them. And plus you're sitting at an angle too.
Yeah, try to encourage it.
Fuel pump might have went out of this thing.
Pardon me?
Fuel pump might have went out of it.
It might have. I had a Suburban years ago. Of course, I was
Let's try. Let me go grab a tool real quick.
All right, sure.
hold your foot on the brake for a second. gonna be $15 even.
Alright.
There's the keys to that bad boy.
You gonna keep that?
Bonus.
Because you're gonna put me on TV, right?
Thank you, bud. But yeah, look up Life of a Tow Truck Man.
I will do that. I will do that.
And it'll be on there probably tonight or tomorrow sometime.
I will tell you, this was smoother than anything's gone for me for the last month.
Is it really?
This is great.
Hopefully, I'm hoping there's something stupid wrong with that.
I'm hoping
A sensor, something ignorant.
But I'm out of ideas.
That, like I said, sometimes you just throw your hands in the air and do what you got to do.
Right. At least this one easy. I appreciate the heck out of that.
Bud, have a good day.